Perceiving is probably the most important condition of being alive. It provides awareness of the world and defines what we call reality by organizing and interpreting information gathered from the limited band of reception of our senses. The purpose of our senses has been evolutionary. Their goal has been to establish reality as something that happens to us, but what we perceive is not what is out there. There is no inherent value in the incredibly complex patterns of light that fall into our eyes, and yet we see coherent forms and motions, enabling us to survive by distinguishing between a flower and a truck running towards us full speed. If we realize that our sensory perception are only an evolutionary tool and not the ultimate reality, then we can start seeing life as a whole undivided totality of which we are an active part. The ancient scriptures describe the world as illusion or Maya because of the difference between what we perceive as real and what is real. While our classical worldview, instilled through the philosophies of Newton and Darwin, prevents us from accepting a different paradigm. In the meantime, the implication of modern science discoveries are creeping in our mindset, and our understanding of what reality is evolves, while science is trying to answer some of the questions raised by humans since time immemorial. As the quantum physicist David Bohm said, the attempt to live according to the notion that the fragments are really separate is in essence what has led us to the growing series of extremely urgent crises that is confronting us today. Perhaps the mystics are right stating that there is no inside self separate from the outside world, but rather one seamless, intimate totality, always changing when viewed from the object perspective and never changing when viewed from the perspective of the totality. There is no outside world, there are no others. We are complex living systems, part of each other and the larger world we inhabit. The world is in me as much as I am in the world.